Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing credentials and confirming the endpoint path. This matters because an incorrect key or URL wastes time. Once you have the key, set it as an environment variable and pick a simple get to validate connectivity. Use curl or your client library to send headers and a minimal query, then check the HTTP status and sample JSON fields. If you see 401 or 404, verify token scope and base path before proceeding. Fixing these early avoids confusion later. Once connectivity is proven, implement the correct authentication flow so your calls succeed consistently. For OAuth 2, obtain and refresh tokens automatically. Make sure you pass required params with correct types. Wrong types cause 400s and wasted retries. When sending data, build a minimal JSON payload and run one request to confirm schema and response codes. Also monitor rate limit headers and backoff when nearing limits. These steps reduce errors and make scaling safer when you move from one test to bulk requests. You finish by adding resilience, retries with exponential backoff, timeouts, and structured logs so failures are actionable. Then write unit and integration tests that assert success and expected error handling, including boundary cases. Deploy a small staging run and validate end-to-end flows. If something breaks, capture the exact request, full response body, headers, and timestamps to pinpoint the issue quickly. This eliminates guesswork. One tip: check clocks and token expiry first. Most mysterious failures stem from expired credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.